Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and we have the Cobalt. The dash read that the gas cap needs to be changed. You're at the right place. I'm going to show you exactly how to change it out. It's going to be really easy. It only takes just a few minutes. So let's get started. So how the gas cap's supposed to work is it seals off, keep the vapors from going out, and then it has like a vacuum, and when that vacuum don't hold a vacuum when you're driving, then it can throw a message on your dash. But I recommend, based off experience and other people has told me, make sure you buy a genuine General Motors cap, not an aftermarket, because they tend to fail sooner. So we're going to get out and get this changed. There you can kind of see this gas cap. Now this piece here broke off. That used to be on there. So all you need is a little screwdriver here, and we're going to get rid of this piece. It's pretty easy. Just take a screwdriver and kind of get under it and twist it, and it'll pop right out of there. And then we'll get rid of the old gas cap, and you can kind of see how that looks in there, and you just kind of push that in. Just get out and push that in that hole. Easy enough. That way when that way put that on. You need to go fill up with fuel. So all you do is take that off and hang it up there out of the way. That way it's not hanging. So that's easy. So thanks for watching. I hope this simple little video was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up. That way it helps the channel to help you. That way it works out better with the algorithms. Anyhow, we have some more things we need to do repairs on my Cobalt. We want to keep this thing alive and keep driving. So subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you're notified for whenever another Cobalt video comes out. So thanks for watching, and have a good afternoon.